In this video, I will show you how to count a specific word in a cell in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some cells containing string data. Now I want to count the specific word that in each cell. Excel does not provide any function to directly count the specific word in a cell, so we need to create our own formula to do that. This is what I am going to do. Let's take an example of this cell. In the first step, I am going to get the length of this string cell content. The length of this string is 18. Next, I am going to replace the specific word that with an empty text from this string. After replacement, the string will become like this. Once we get that, I am going to get the length of the new string. For this string, it is 10. Now let's subtract the length of this string from the length of the original string. It will be 18 minus 10, which is 8. It means that we have replaced 8 characters from the original string. If we divide this number by the length of the specific word that, we will get the count of the specific word. For this example, the length of the specific word that is 4. If we divide 8 by 4, we will get 2. This is the count of the specific word that in the string. Let's convert this into an Excel formula. We can use the len function to get the number of characters in a text or string. To replace the specific word with an empty string, we can use the substitute function. Let's type an equal sign to start the formula. Now type substitute and an opening bracket. Select the cell containing text as the first argument. Select the cell containing the specific word as the second argument and empty string as the third argument. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, it has replaced all instances of the specific word that with empty text. Let's get the length of this new string using the len function. Now we need to subtract this from the length of the original string. So let's do that. Finally, we need to divide this by the length of the specific word to get its count. As you can see, we now have the count of the specific word in each cell. The substitute function is case sensitive. For example, in this Excel sheet, the count of the word that is 2, but our formula shows 1. It is because the first word of the string is in mixed or camel case, while the word we are replacing is in lowercase. To make this formula case insensitive, we can use the upper function. Let's modify the formula to include that. This formula converts both the original string and the specific word in the uppercase before the substitution to make it work for any case. Instead of the upper function, we can also use the lower function to do the same like this. As you can see, we now have the count of the specific word in a cell regardless of the case. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.